Alright folks, welcome back. It's Sid again from Hunter and Chavy Investments. Today we're going to work on my truck. We're going to replace that bumper on the old one. I'll show you in a few minutes. So let's get to it. So my bumper, I have front bumper, a big hole in the side of it right there. So we're going to replace that. I bought this from Amazon. So anytime you click the link below, it helps support the channel. You purchase any of those products that have the affiliate link with Amazon, helps this channel grow. So if you haven't already, just hit subscribe on the button on this. Every time you hit subscribe, you get upload new content. You'll be the first to be notified. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you get all that. So this is a 2007 Toyota Tundra. It probably fit from 07 to 09, I want to say. This is a 4.7, a little smaller V8 block, but we will show you how to replace the bumper there, and also I'm going to replace those two headlights too. They're kind of old and dingy looking. I got those headlights also for Amazon, so I'll leave the link below for the affiliate link with Amazon for the headlights and for the bumper. And I got a couple tools here to start off with. So these bolts will be 10 millimeter, and then there's clips, a whole bunch of clips here and there. So I bought clip removals also from Amazon again. Use my link below. It'll get you, help support the channel, helps the channel grow. So this is a kit that I got from Amazon. Let's see, it has all the clips that you would need, and it came with the clip removal tool there, so perfectly. New to the channel, this channel is about helping you save money either through helping fix your car today. Pretty soon I'm actually going through a home refinancing, so I'm going to show you how my home refinancing looks like, and I'll give you all the details, all the juicy details. Okay, so I don't want to leave you out. If it can help, just watching this channel help somebody as far as like being in real estate, buying property, getting if you want to do wholesaling, use my affiliate link with Propstream below. You get a 7-day free trial, and help supports the channel, helps me, helps my channel grow. And also, if you're able to find a distressed property owner, you can help them out and provide some kind of service, some creative financing or a way out for some of these homeowners that need your help. Like I said, click the link below, and also any affiliate link that I have down below helps supports the channel. And hit subscribe, hit like, comment, and share. So I got those tools, and we're going to start working on that truck. All right. So it looks like there's clips up here. I'm missing a lot of clips actually. So one, because all we want is this piece. So these are the cowling. This is the front bumper cowling. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only two holding it. Actually, one is holding it. Crazy enough. Let's use our handy dandy tool. Side somewhere. I'll put it in my pocket. That's pretty much off. So there's two tabs here. Obviously I took out the license plate. That's number one you would start off with. If you guys enjoy this channel, comment below that you enjoy this channel. You'd like to see more other things that I can bring to you as far as you to fix your own stuff in your house, fix stuff in your cars, student loans, and for sure, like I said, stay tuned. I'm doing a refinancing my house. I'll show you the process for that. This is a helpful finance channel. Help somebody save money. This is the channel for you. Get this thing open. Good. End up breaking the clip anyway. It's so finicky. That's why I bought that kit. The new. It's gonna run into trouble. There's 2 more down here. So normally this would have 4 up here, but it looks like I'm missing a lot, so I had only 1. Taking these off too. I think I'd change the headlight because that way it looks nice and clean. You know, the truck look new as old, 2007. It'll make it look nice and pretty. Pretty it will. It is. That should come right off. Pop right, should be clips here. Pop right up. Yeah, so just these tabs. Where those holes comes off. Good thing here. Tabs. And then this is in here. Surprise, surprise. Yep. So I'm missing a tab there. That's out. Now, that's how we got to the headlights. So let's put these headlights in. That should be 4, right? 2 up top. Should be holding these headlights in. And here. And should be over here. Flashlight. Slides in. And I'm missing one here. Anyway, let's get the top cowling off. So once those clip. Behind the tire well, it's just that clip. Oh, black on black doesn't help. So it's just a clip like that. Put that in my other pocket. There we go. Collins. There's another 10 up here. So top is a 10 clip and then a 10 up here. Do the same the other side. And actually that side missing. Put a 10 in there. Lucy. I have to jack up the truck. You lift this whole truck to get to that part. There it is. Right over there. Yeah, put that in my pocket. Anything that side. Should. I'm guessing this is part. The car has to go on the bumper for it. I should put the new bumper in because there might be a part of this. One problemo. This will be a part of the bumper. Imagine. This part comes out downward, so you gotta push down and separate the two. So this is Old Faithful here. Separate the two. So now we're in plastic now. To get this thing up. Guessing this comes out of it. I'll show you in a minute what this clip looks like. It's kind of weird. I've never seen this kind of clip. Replace it with something different. So nonsense clip. This clip makes no sense to me. Right. Needle nose. Spinning inside. They're coming. PV blast the better. Alright, so I got those two 12mm off. We took the cowling off of that. That's off. Able to get through the 12s here, here, and here. Now, all you gotta do is pop this out. And that's it. So it comes right off. So I'll pull that out, replace the new bumper. Kind of take this off. We'll probably be clips back here, and then we'll put it back in reverse. All right. Voila! Easy peasy. This is my plow plug, so I'll leave it up here. Here's the actual bumper, guys. So that's not the bumper, it's just the cover. Don't be afraid. Alright, that's it. Put it back together. So a couple of pro tips, just to recap. So this thing, you need to take this off first. We'll get to the chrome bumper. So don't try to take the bumper off because it's not going to work. You got to take this off, the balance. I guess this is the proper name. Comment below, let me know what the proper name for this is. But these come off for 10 millimeters. There's a whole bunch of these. But first you want to get to those, to this thing right here, requires you to take off the headlights. So the headlights, there's 10 millimeters up here, one over here, and the cowlings come off. Pop these off. These are quick fasteners, and you put a flathead back and just pull out that way in that direction, and then reveals another 10 millimeter here. So 1, 2, 3 that holds the headlight. Once that comes off, you can see more of these. Let me say 2 more underneath here. So take this off. We'll get you to the chrome bumper. Chrome bumper has 12 millimeters up top here that holds it. It's underneath this valance. You gotta take that off. And another one over here too. Once that comes off, there's two 12 millimeters that hold the chrome bumper in, and then there's 2 that hold it in from the bottom up here near the mud flaps. And that's it, that holds this thing. So this is not the actual bumper itself, it's just a cover. So the actual bumpers are actually inside. So pro tip from one take, headlights off to get to the valance. Once you get the valance off, unscrew these, and then there's screws behind the headlights, also 10 millimeters. It's back there. You don't need to take this off. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. You don't need to take that off. Leave that alone. Same here. Don't touch that. You don't need to take that off. Leave it alone. This whole thing will just slide right out. And then pro tip number 2, this will pop in. There's 2 fasteners that go in here. And here I was having a tough trying to put it in because the fasteners weren't fitting in properly. So it's only 2. It's just a piece of plastic because this edge was hanging out more than usual. I was wondering what was wrong because it wasn't going into the 2 slots. So that's the reason. So 2 fasteners goes in. Take these once the chrome bumper is off, the old one. So these this plastic shield guard, I still have a plow on mine. I was able to take it off. If you didn't have yours, you would need to take off the fasteners underneath here. There's 2 flat ones here. One there. It's plastic mud flaps. 2 and 3. And it slides right out. The replacement, like I said, if you use my affiliate link with Amazon, it helps support the channel. So that's where I got this bumper from, this chrome bumper. And then what I did is I took all the parts from the old one and put it into the new one. So you're gonna have to take this off. These are 10 millimeters that hold this whole thing in. This whole black piece here at the bottom. So you just take it off the old one and put it on the new one. I'm gonna replace this. Maybe I'll do another video on this. Hopefully it'll pop up or lose it somewhere. So since I had the bumper off, I was gonna replace the headlights. This is 2007. I figured I'll change out the headlights, and I also bought these headlights from Amazon. Use my affiliate link below. I'll put the link below. Helps support the channel. Here's the old one compared to the new one. Big difference. Old, new. Yeah, look how shiny that is. Pretty good. Pretty good. Down the road. I'll place that. Put it all back in. So just do the reverse of what you did when you took off the bumper. And then third pro tip, final tip is, a lot of people don't tell you what to do, is when you put the headlight back in. See this right here? I kind of missed a step on this one. So this is supposed to go in here. It's supposed to snap in, otherwise your headlight is kind of wobbly. See, it's kind of wobbly. It's moving around, so you don't want that. You want it to snap in. So in addition to these bolts, the 10mm up here, here, and here, inside here, you need to snap this plastic piece in. So I'm gonna snap that in. All right, if you guys like this channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to get parts, use my affiliate link below. Helps support this channel, helps it grow. If you want to do real estate wholesaling, use my affiliate link, Propstream. Helps, it's a platform and helps distressed property owners, offers some kind of creative financing, or maybe help them sell their property or to an investor. Use it. They have a 7-day free trial, so check that out. All right, till next time.